I have not heard of a lot of credit repair companies in Canada. You guys do not have like credit repair the way that we have credit repair in America. So I can't necessarily say whether or not they're legitimate or not. I do say that you guys start working to remove these accounts from your credit reports yourself. Start working on your credit yourself. It can be very simple. They even have a free form for you guys to fill out. Like you guys can just go ahead and fill out this form here. And when you guys fill out this form, you're going to see that it's going to include like bankruptcies, collections, judgment, consolidated debt, or debt recovery, whatever you're trying to like dispute. All you have to do is just put your information here. And we have a social security number. You guys have a social insurance number. I guess it's kind of like the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. So I guess it's like the same thing. I'm not sure. But definitely fill out this form here and you can send it in. That way, if you don't feel like you want to work with a company, try to do it yourself first. And if you don't have any type of results, then you can double back and try to find a company that can actually help you. And not only can you guys send out that form, but I have actual dispute letters that you guys can send out. So I give you guys the first letter for free. So go ahead and download that first letter. And when you guys download that first letter, I ask you, would you like to get more letters? So go ahead and check that out, and hopefully you guys are able to start working to remove your accounts. And hopefully if you guys need additional help, you guys can find that additional help out there in Canada.